couple minutes. Okay, this is the KAYLA Quest Part 2. Speaking of, this is the Boxy's gifts. Okay, Cyberdog Sparky. I just got it. Someone left a message saying, "Go get this." So I clicked on it. And it was that. And they had like all these Christmas gifts, all the stuff that I'm opening right now. I had it to one. I got in like 170 something, and I stopped playing it. I should have kept going. Did fireworks like 6 times today. Oh, by the way, I did that thing about power surge, that one video. I'm telling you right now, doing this right here, coming in here, some are 4,500, 6,500, 9,000, 7,000. This one here is only 3,000. It's like a bargain. I come in here and smash it like every day. It really is. And you get all these really good things too. All this stuff. Oh, I got 10 eternal seeds. That's awesome. I don't think I've ever gotten that many. Anyways, yeah, so just smack it a couple times, and you keep getting stuff. And so just to reiterate what I was saying was, do this, hit these, and then you go into here, and you power up these guys in this here, in the Ascension thing. Oh my God. My guys have been getting so big and so strong so fast. It's ridiculous. I already got a whole bunch of guys that are like past Ascension 1. I'm already in Ascension 6. Ascension 5, sorry. For Galahad. Anyways, enough of that for right now. Is it time yet? Boss fight starts in 39 minutes. Okay, cool. I could never do boss fights. Maybe 5 to 7.5 million. Well, the other day I was copying off other people, seeing what they did, so I looked in the log. Oh my God. I wound up crushing in there. It was like the best I ever did. Alright, now what am I doing here? Okay. Chat. Okay, I already sent them. Yep, I gave them. Impressive. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's do, you know what we should do? I have 7 million gold, that should be enough. Alright, go here. It was, oh my God, that was funny. Kayla jumped ahead of Kark. So then I upgraded Kark a little bit, and then Kark went from like down here and jumped over Thea, Kayla, and I don't know how you say it, Arachne, I think. Alright, let's see here. Alright, up to almost 70,000. What else do I need to do? She is a monster. I just started her like 3 days ago. Alright, let's see here. Is she up over 70? Close. Alright, let's see here. What do I need? I need to. Upgrade. I'm upgrading Satori, Luther, Kark, Dante, Kayla. I don't know how many people. Martha. Well, actually, I was doing Aiden today. No, nowhere near his sister, but he actually I got him to full stars before her. So he is full. He is full. And he probably has a ton left over for the soul shop. Wow, 72,000. My God, I'm gonna have a field day, guys. If you ever want stuff in here, click this, refresh it, and then just buy what you want. I needed one of these. I need this. I need that. I need that. I didn't really need that, but yeah, if you want to, you could just keep clicking on this. And wow, I'm down to, Jesus, I had over 226,000 before. No, I had 258,000. All right.
Is your closet cramped and cluttered? Is it impossible to find that shirt to wear? And harder to fit it back?
I hate it when they don't let you know who you need on there. Like, who's it for? Alright, 72,000. That's just ridiculous. Although my Outland is way usually more than, it's usually over 100,000. And who do I need? Someone here. I'm still working on somebody. Who is it? Somebody. Now I got him done. Maybe, oh, I know who it is. It's Zhu. I'm still short on Zhu. I'm short on that too. Alright, 8 minutes. Come on, we gotta do what I came on to do. Go into here. Kayla's Ascension. Alright. Now, remember I was saying, this one here, where the heck is it at? The heck is it? Oh, here. I still need to click on 11 more things. Well, this is where we start doing it. Boom, boom, boom. This is the reason why I did all I did. I saw this. I saw green, blue, violet, orange, red. I thought it was so neat. I actually did this quest because of that right there. That looked so cool. Alright, that was an easy one. Now this is the easy one right here. The default skin, that was cake. This one was maybe the third hardest to do. Alright, now we're already up there. Alright, so we're at 33, 33, 34, 35. The glyph one, that was a pain in the balls. That was the second hardest one. This was by far the hardest one here. No, I'm sorry. This was the hardest. Second, third, and fourth hardest was this one. No, yeah, fourth hardest. It was a pain in the balls is what it was. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, so now I have to get rid of the one thing that I didn't want to have to. That's why I left these here. I thought it was cool. So, blue, violet, orange, red. Here we go. Now hit that. And that. And I'm all done. This one I think I'm done with too. Oh, this is holiday every day. Do this every day. I was going to say, this looks so familiar. Do this like every day. This is pretty cakish. And if you ever get stuck on the pet summoning, if you don't have enough of those things, all you got to do is, look at this. Why is this? Oh, I didn't realize there were so many. Boom. 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 Alright, and I'm all done with all this stuff. That was pretty cool stuff, but here's what I was talking about. If you want to go into here, and, well, you can press the buttons where I just was at in those tasks, but if you go into here, every day they want you to do 15. I have 13. So let's say you're short, and you come in to do this. All you got to do is hit this right here. You do your first 5, and then you hit this, and you got all 15. So it's not a challenge at all. What else did I need to show you? There was one other thing. What was it? No. I can't think what I needed to show you. Or something. Alright, let's see. Screw it. I'll just do this. Let's go after the red Dante. Ooh. 3, 1, 2. Man, I'm not even using Orion. Alright, 3, 1, 2. Let's see how we did it. That was my crappy team. Come on. Don't know why that's taken so long. That Dante wasn't that tough. And then, oh, come on. Video's gonna end before this thing goes on. Alright. Move down 5, but that's nothing. Alright, guys. That's good. If I remember that other thing, I'll put it in my next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Okay, bye-bye.